Ms. Hetal Kotak to proceed further. Thank you.
I would request, sir, faculty for the next session, please come on the dais. On behalf of Ahmedabad branch of WRC of ICAI, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce today's faculty. Mr. Siddharth Begnani is a chartered accountant and MBA by qualification. He started his career in 2003 with ICAI Bank Limited and has been with bank ever since. Over last 2 decades, he has held various profiles across departments within bank in various geographies. He started as Zonal Credit Manager in Mumbai with Medical and Office Equipment Loans Department. Later, he promoted to the role of National Credit Manager. Post to that, he moved to MSME Working Capital Finance as Zonal Credit Manager, then moved to Business Loan Group as Product Manager. After spending 8 years in Mumbai in various roles, he assumed position of Regional Head for Business Loan Group funding up to 20 crores in Gujarat zone. We welcome you, sir. I would request Ms. Kavya to facilitate the faculty with memento. So, dais is yours.
So I don't know how many sessions have been done, whether you are feeling tired, you want a break, or is it okay? You need break? नहीं, ठीक है. So almost 25 years back, I finished my CA, and post CA I did MBA, and post MBA I joined ICICI Bank, and I've been with ICICI Bank for more than 21 years. And I have come here to just give you a perspective ki what are the opportunities available for a chartered accountant to work in a bank. And I understand ki when you come to any organization, you have lot of expectations and lot of. So banking is one of the place na, where there are various roles, opportunities available for a chartered accountant. It is not limited on not means. सबसे बेस्ट पार्ट क्या है बैंकिंग का, such a large industry where you have so much opportunities, so much profiles available for chartered accountant. So as a banker, we don't need any subject matter expert, but why does a bank hire a chartered accountants? There are various departments in which we need chartered accountants, and what are the various departments in which chartered accountants can play a role? In our team, means there'll be approximately more than 200 chartered accountants working in our team in Gujarat. We hire almost more than 100 or more than approximately 100 as per our requirement. We hire 100 chartered accountants on a yearly basis. One thing which I feel in CA after means I am also part of this profession, but one thing which people miss is consistency. People join, people don't stay. So one very important thing, there's a lot of opportunities, option available in banking. You can do wonders, you can do many things. There's so many, means you can work across geographies, across countries. ICICI Bank is present in 25 countries. So you have an option working across geographies within India, across geographies within the world, across department, across roles. इतना vast opportunity available है, but people don't stay 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. Vintage of people with one organization remains less. So one few things why this happens is people don't understand the job or like the job, or they think this is the only job which they can do. वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट थिंग, जैसे हमारा बैंकिंग में अगर आप देखेंगे हमारा आएगा, सो हाईएस्ट रिक्रूटमेंट कम्स अंडर अ रोल कॉल्ड रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर. और सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम उधर ही आता है, पहला प्रॉब्लम. क्योंकि देखिए सबसे पहले व्हाई एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विल हायर, हायरिंग इज एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट. एंड which is the team where there will be the highest requirement? It will be the team who is facing the customer. You need more people facing the customer, and that is the team where you will have highest number of opportunities coming in and highest number of people to be recruited. Expectation in banking is, I don't know, means आप लोग अभी new age students हैं, you may have different, but earlier expectation was कि we want back-end job, we want desk job, we don't want front-level job. I interview more than 100 CAs every year, means I would have interviewed more than 1,000, 2,000 CAs in last 20 years. एक ये हर्डल आता है इन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स, ये आता है नहीं आता है, मीन्स हाँ, क्योंकि ज़्यादा रोल है रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर का, मगर हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट है क्रेडिट मैनेजर या बैक ऑफिस या ये, हमको ये चाहिए, हम पहले ही रोल को ख़त्म कर देते हैं. तो मेरे हिसाब से इन एनी बैंकिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन यू वर्क और यू अप्लाई फॉर, यू शुड बी ओपन. Whatever role is available, start. It is not the end. Because as I told you, there are various opportunities available within the banking for various profiles. Not only within the city or within the zone, across geographies, across countries. तो मैं सबको फिर से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आप लोग को कि प्लीज डोंट हैव दिस माइंडसेट कि आई डोंट वांट अ रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर रोल. Number of roles required are highest under the front level role, which is called a relationship level. Some people may get credit level, it is also good. Some people may get various other options. But most of the roles आपने जिधर भी banking देखोगे ना या देखोगे सबसे ज़्यादा role इसी का आएगा. So I wanted to spend more time on this and why chartered accountants fail to understand this role and have a negative mindset. मेरे को एक बात बताओ, how many of you are interested in this RM role? If a bank says कि we want RM, so 20%, 80% won't be interested. But if I say I want a credit manager, how many of you are interested? Many more are interested. The number of people raising hands for a credit manager role is much higher than a people raising a hand for a relationship manager role. See, I started my career as a credit manager. I spent 8 years in credit role. I am into business role for last 10 years. I can tell you the level of learning, level of growth, level of understanding and exposure which you gain is higher in the front level business role. आपकी विजिबिलिटी, आपका इम्पोर्टेंस, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस, आपका नेटवर्क तभी बढ़ेगा जब आप फ्रंट लेवल रोल पे काम करेंगे. How many of you are interested in meeting customers? Few. How many of you want back-end job, office job? तो ज़्यादातर क्या है, ऑफिस में रहोगे. अब देखो, what is experience? You all want to join one organization where you can gain experience. See, you are technically qualified as a chartered accountant. आपने hard work किया है, आपने fundamental सब knowledge gain कर लिया है. अभी आपको क्या gain करना है? Experience. Difference between you and me is just the 25 years of experience which I carry. बाकी what you know, I may be knowing less. Because मैं 25 साल पहले पढ़ा था, आप अभी पढ़े हो, आप मेरे से ज़्यादा जानते होंगे. मगर एक्सपीरियंस जो मेरे पास है 25 years का, वो एक्सपीरियंस कहाँ से आया? Experience comes from meeting customers. The more customer you meet, the more you learn. The more you learn, the more you earn. Sitting in office, you will meet less customers, you will just see in documents, you will not see practically. I take care of lending requirement, MSME lending, which is many times beyond documents. Means you can't make a decision whether to give money or not just seeing on documents. So you have to see a lot of other things beyond documents, meeting customer, taking reference, seeing their setup, understanding promoters. तो जब तक आप कस्टमर से मिलेंगे नहीं, आप ऑफिस में रहेंगे, आपको समझ में ही नहीं आएगा एक्चुअल क्या हो रहा है. तो मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है आपसे, एंड व्हाई दिस चेंज हैज कम इन मी. सी दिस चेंज, आई एम फॉर्चुनेट, माय पेरेंट्स गाइडेड मी ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम कि वी शुड हैव अ MBA क्वालिफिकेशन पोस्ट CA which will give us a double edge advantage. कि while you understand the fundamentals strongly, you are able to comprehend many things which are outside the documents of books and everything. So my request to all people who are applying for any role in banking, don't restrain yourself with the profile what you are getting. Banking is a transferable job, both in terms of role profile, in terms of location. Not necessary if you are getting a role in credit manager, you will always remain a credit manager. As per organization requirement, you may be shifted to a relationship manager role, because in banking किसी को भी recruit करते हैं, they are fungible, they can make use as per the organization requirement. So you should be fungible for any role, you should be fungible for any location, you should be fungible for meeting more customers. The more customers you meet, the more experience you gain. The more experience you gain, the more you earn. So if you are able to club your qualification with experience, I am sure there's tremendous opportunity available. So see, nowadays it is very simple कि what are the options, but you have to see where are the options. अगर हमको 5 क्रेडिट मैनेजर चाहिए तो हमको 50 रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर चाहिए. The ratio is 1:10. And why we prefer chartered accountant for RM role? ये भी एक क्वेश्चन होगा ना कि हम CA क्यों लेते हैं. After spending so many years, after taking so many CAs, we will not be doing wrong na to the bank. We are giving higher money to a chartered accountant and taking chartered accountant for a RM role. There will be some reasoning for it, but you may not be able to comprehend. हम क्यों लेते हैं CA को? See, if you have done a CA, so basics are very clear. The person will have a sound knowledge. They will be able to grasp things fastly. They will be able to understand and implement whatever has been told to them. So आपको लगेगा कि आपके knowledge का usage नहीं हो रहा है. When you start with that role, आप बोलोगे इसका use क्या है? But I'm telling you, knowledge, when you study anything ना, see, I don't do accounting. I have studied accounting, but मैं accounting तो कुछ करता नहीं हूँ. But every study has a usage in every role. When you meet customer, you see their balance sheet, you are able to understand their balance sheet, you are able to engage with them. So that's why chartered accountants are required, because they have the basic capability of hard work. Hard work है ये, to become a CA is easy or difficult? Difficult है ना, पहले तो होता था, अभी भी होता ही होगा difficult. मतलब सब हार्ड वर्किंग तो है, ये बेसिक क्वालिटी तो आप में है कि आप लोग हार्ड वर्किंग हो. हमको यही बेसिक क्वालिटी चाहिए. We want a hard working, sincere, dedicated person who can understand things fast, who can implement things fast. And that's why we prefer chartered accountants on hiring. And I'm telling you, we hire in a large quantity. Large. We are having an employee base of 140,000. 140,000 people working in ICICI Bank. We are the 4th largest company in the country. We are among the 15th largest bank in the world. And we are expanding, growing. We need more people. So, request is, whenever you join any organization, any banking, specifically in banking sector, more opportunity, more roles are in relationship manager. And I've seen lot of RMs doing very well as a chartered accountant. And the journey does not end there. आप RM बन गए तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आपकी जर्नी खत्म हो गई. From RM, you have a route to move to credit also, you have a route to move to operation also, you have a route to move to audit also. Banking में various departments हैं, various, हाँ, where we need chartered accountants. और मैं यही बोल रहा हूँ कि number of opportunity is more in the front level role. Why I am putting more and more this point ना? क्योंकि when we put a invite for this, most of the people drop. And based on my experience, I can tell you I'm in business for 10 years. I like meeting customers. The more customers I meet, I learn. Every day is a learning process. So this is the biggest thing which I wanted to say. While there will be very, हमको accounting के लिए भी लोग चाहिए, हमको ऑडिट के लिए भी लोग चाहिए, हमको क्रेडिट के लिए भी लोग चाहिए, हमको ट्रेजरी के लिए भी लोग चाहिए, मगर नंबर ऑफ पीपल फॉर दैट रोल्स आर लिमिटेड. We don't require people in large quantity for such roles. Large quantity roles are available only for front level relationship manager, and in that role there's lot of learning, lot of opportunity. Starting from retail loans to corporate loans to investments to personal banking, and it gives you lot of different skill sets. तो सबसे पहले ये होना चाहिए, we should be open for any role, because entry point does not mean कि we will be doing that always. And within the bank, within the organization, you get various opportunities. We have a process of open job posting. Means if you have spent 2 years, 3 years in the bank, whatever roles come, we do internal hiring also. Means internal people can apply for different roles. Banks give option to internal employees. If they want to change role, they can change role through OJP. So, और आप एक बार पहले ही ना मत बोल दीजिए. आप क्या हो रहा है, आप लोग का डोर क्लोज कर दे रहे हो, अपॉर्चुनिटी कम कर दे रहे हो. अपॉर्चुनिटी खुला रखिए, उसके बाद आपको जहाँ मूव होना है आप मूव हो सकते हो. Internally, as an organization within ICICI Bank, we have a process where people can move internally. And second, I said banking is a transferable job. Not only location transfer, profile transfer can also happen. It is as per requirement. And if you are working with a bank, now bank is like trust. Bank works on trust. So we require people who can withhold those standards, strong standards of integrity, strong standards of trust, strong standards of transparency when they engage with customer. Customer को भी confidence आता है if they are dealing with a chartered accountant. जब हम ले रहे हैं सीए को और कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट में करा रहे हैं तो उसको भी कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि सामने जिससे बात कर रहा हूँ, दे आर अ प्रोफेशनल चार्टेड अकाउंटेंट, दे हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग इंटीग्रिटी, स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रस्ट, स्ट्रॉन्ग ट्रांसपेरेंसी, दे विल बी एबल टू हैंडल माई केस वेल, डिस्कस और टेक माई केस टू द रिलेवेंट सॉल्यूशन. ओवरऑल आई थॉट कि बिकॉज व्हेन वी रिक्रूट ना, हमको बेसिक हर्डल यही आता है कि आई डोंट वांट टू डू अ रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर रोल. बेसिक हर्डल ये है. वी रिक्वायर लॉट ऑफ पीपल, वी रिक्वायर लॉट ऑफ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स, प्रोवाइडेड they are ready to work with the roles available. And once you start, that is not the end. You will have lot of options to switch within the organization. When I say switch, and second most important thing which I said, stay invested. See, bank is very large, departments are very large, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज वेरी लार्ज. वंस यू एंटर ना, आपको लगेगा क्या हो रहा है, समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. टाइम दीजिए, 1 महीना, 2 महीना, 3 महीना, 5 महीना, 6 महीना, सब कुछ समझ में आ जाएगा. यू विल नॉट बी, सी यू आर डूइंग समथिंग न्यू फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू कॉम्प्रिहेंड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम डे वन. देयर इज लॉट ऑफ ट्रेनिंग, हैंड होल्डिंग, मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम वी प्रोवाइड टू ऑल न्यू रिक्रूट्स. देयर इज अ 7-day course which we do, workshop. There's a mentor which we assign to each of our new joinee. There's frequent engagement which seniors do with all new joinees so that they become comfortable. But it takes time. आप थोड़ा time दीजिए. Most of the people, they are not ready to give time. They want change. They are not able to align what they've studied with what they are doing. This is the challenge what they face. And I'm telling you, people who have been able to align, people who have been able to put time, people who have been able to do various jobs, various roles. We have so many successful chartered accountants within our organization, doing extremely well in credit role, in operations, in business, in accounting, हर जगह. तो आई डोंट नो मीन्स इज इट मेकिंग सेंस? हाँ, आपको ये बात सही लग रही है, गलत लग रही है? और ये मैं बात कैसे बता पा रहा हूँ, क्योंकि क्या है, जब हम मिलते हैं ना, हम बात करते हैं सीए से, तो हम सबसे पहले यही वी डोंट वांट, हमको कुछ आपको डीएससीआर आता है नहीं आता है, डेट इक्विटी आता है नहीं आता, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है, वो सब आ जाएगा, वो सब गूगल 1 मिनट में बता देगा क्या होता है। हमको ये चाहिए आदमी बात कर सकता है नहीं कर सकता है, आदमी में कॉन्फिडेंस है कि नहीं है, आदमी में पैशन है कि नहीं है, एनर्जी लेवल्स आर हाई और लो, वी सी सॉफ्टर स्किल्स। यू आर अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, यू विल नो ऑल दिस। हम टेक्निकल में जाते ही नहीं है, टेक्निकल इज irrelevant, immaterial for us. What is more material is the attitude. Attitude of a candidate. Attitude of a candidate to work with passion. If they have a passion for the organization, flexibility to work in any environment. हम कोई भी आपको इंटरव्यू में टेक्निकल 1-2 क्वेश्चन अगर पूछेंगे तो पूछेंगे, मगर वी अवॉइड टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन। इट डज नॉट मेक एनी डिफरेंस इफ यू नो और यू डोंट नो। व्हाट मेक्स डिफरेंस, आर यू रेडी टू वर्क और नॉट, आर यू रेडी टू पुट एफर्ट और नॉट, आर यू रेडी टू चेंज एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट और नॉट, डू यू हैव पैशन फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, एंड इफ यू हैव दिस क्वालिटीज, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल गेट सिलेक्टेड। हमारा सिलेक्शन क्राइटेरिया बहुत सिंपल है, एंड वी एज अ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रोवाइड अ वेरी गुड एनवायरमेंट टू वर्क. I can tell you, we have been voted the best organization to work in banking means for last more than 6 years, year on year. From ICICI Bank, I can tell you, we provide a very good environment, very good learning environment, very good growing environment, tremendous opportunity for various roles to be done within the city, within the state, within the country, outside the country. And we have lot of opportunities going outside. Lot of our colleagues are working across the world. We have offices in US, London, Dubai, Singapore, 25 countries we operate. So I would request Prathit. Prathit is my team member. Prathit is also a chartered accountant. I may be biased, but he is also a chartered accountant. He is also working with the bank for long. He also recruits lot of people within the bank and interviews lot of chartered accountant. तो आप आपका experience share करिए कि what a fresh chartered accountant should have in mind while they apply for a banking role.
So as Siddharth told, so we also passed through the same journey. So journey was same. So if I touch upon my point, I joined as a audit manager in a bank. Then move to retail banking and then move to business banking, which is a core corporate finance thing. So there is a lot of involvement at a personal level also. So you might be fresher, might not be able to correlate and comprehend what I am saying. But when I shift from one role to another role, especially from audit to sales role, so I was having a lot of abbreviation ke my role is not fit for the sales. My qualification is not for a sales role. So the day when I took a decision, because the industry is growing at a pace where we need more and more people who are having a absolute skill set. Why we required people at a relationship manager role? Because they are having a different skill set. And if we are able to put a people with a skill set and intent, then we will get a desired result. So any organization, those who are working, ultimate aim is to earn a profit. आप practice भी खुद का start करते हो, then you are also exposed to sales role only, because आपको खुद का भी marketing करना होता है. And here added advantage is that you are having a brand available with us. So whatever brand card you are available, so you are leveraging that for your personal growth also, along with the professional growth. So those are all the added advantages which we are going to get if you are joining the big core sector. So that is the advantage we are going to get. And the exposure which you are going to get in a front-end role, as Siddharth has said, it is immense, because I have changed transformation in myself also. So 10 years back and now. 15 years back and now.
So, due to paucity of time, we may not be able to discuss further. You have any questions you can ask? We'll be coming for the campus also on 3rd. And we have large requirements. Only point is, people should be open, people should be ready to work. Whatever role is available, they should be ready to work. And when we are selecting any person for any role, हाँ आप थोड़ा ट्रस्ट करिए हम पे कि ये सही आदमी को सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. आप ये मत सोचिए मिसमैच है. अगर मिसमैच होगा तो हम ही नहीं करेंगे ना सिलेक्ट. हमको तो ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस है ना कि आदमी सूटेबल है कि नहीं है. हमारा बेस्ड ऑन एक्सपीरियंस, प्लीज ट्रस्ट अस कि इफ दे आर गिविंग दिस रोल, देयर इज सम ग्रोथ. एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, नॉट ओनली लर्निंग ग्रोथ, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल ग्रोथ एज वेल. We give a good handsome starting salary as well, and there's lot of growth continuing in your salary increment also. After spending 21 years in the bank, I can tell you my salary has gone 30x. Means what I started day 1 multiply by 30 is what I am getting today after doing 20 years of job. And bank pays handsomely to people who are ready to work consistently for long period of time. Any questions?
Sir, on behalf of audience, I would like to ask a question. As I went through your profile, so how it is better to be in one organization for a longer period of time than to take jump of 2 years to 3
ये
years?
जो जंप वाली बात है ना, मैं कह रहा हूँ ये सब मिथ है. People who have jumped parallelly, who started with me, they are at a lower position, both in terms of position, in terms of profile, in terms of money also, despite jumping. If you stay in one organization, invested in one organization for long, organization has trust, confidence on you, they will give you more responsibility, more authority, and we give responsibility ahead of time. I was given a national role when I was just 6 years in the bank. So the more you work with one organization, you are able to give more inputs, organization trusts you more, opportunity will be given first to you. मैंने ये देखा, कोई भी MD है, हमारा जो MD बनता है वो वही होता है जो 25-30 साल वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में है. If you want to reach the top, you have to be with that for long. You cannot keep on jumping. The jumping people will not become MD. They will not reach the top. आपका एम क्लियर होना चाहिए. आपका एम 2 साल 4 साल 5 साल है कि आपका एम 25 साल 30 साल. कैरियर स्पैन इज मोर देन 30-35 ईयर्स. आप लोग 25 साल के होंगे, उससे कम ही होंगे. आपका कैरियर है 35 ईयर्स का. 35 ईयर्स का विजन होगा, देन यू विल बी एबल टू टेक अ करेक्ट डिसीजन. इट इज नॉट 1 ईयर 2 ईयर 3 ईयर. ठीक है, 30 साल का सोचिए, एंड इन 30 ईयर्स यू कैन ग्रो.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक्स.
Thank you so much, sir. So yes, just to sum up, I liked his emphasis on how it is important for CAs in the banking field, visibility, networking, connections, how they are important in our field.